Hi there! I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm excited to take you on a journey to one of the most vibrant beach party scenes in the world, right here in Barcelona, Spain. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the hottest beach clubs in the city and experiencing the electrifying atmosphere of the Spanish coast. Before we begin, I'd like to ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to join me on more exciting travel adventures like this one. And don't forget to leave your comments below to share your thoughts and experiences. Now let's get started. As we step onto the shores of Barcelona's beaches, the energy is palpable. The sun is shining, the music is blasting, and the colorful beach umbrellas are in full bloom. We'll start our tour at one of the most popular beach clubs, Opium. Opium is a massive complex that features an outdoor dance floor, a swimming pool, and several bars.
If you want to see the hottest video of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
The club is designed to cater to a diverse range of musical taste and is known for hosting some of the biggest parties in the city. The atmosphere here is exhilarating, and you can feel the energy of the crowd as they dance to the beat of the music. Next up is Pacha Barcelona, a world-renowned nightclub chain that originated in Ibiza. As we end our tour of Barcelona's beach party scene, I hope you've had a taste of the excitement and energy that this city has to offer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to see more travel adventures like this one. And leave your comments below to share your thoughts and experiences.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!